How to share your profile in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share it with others. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the right top, you'll be able to see a scanner. Simply tap on the scanner. So this is the place where other people can scan it and connect it with Bumble. So this directly doesn't give all the credentials like phone number, email, etc. But they can easily get added with you in Bumble just as a friend or a person whom you can chat. So it's a quick way to add someone without giving all your personal details. So if you like them later, you can even catch up and date. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.